to my channel. Are you looking to import a car but don't know where to start? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be discussing the importance of research in car importation. So, let's dive in. Section 1. Why research is key. Research is the foundation of a successful car importation journey. It's the difference between a smooth, hassle-free experience and a costly, time-consuming nightmare. By doing your research, you can avoid common pitfalls, make informed decisions, and ensure you get the car you want at a price you can afford. Section 2. What to research. So what should you research? First, learn about the car itself, its specifications, features, and condition. Second, research the market. Know the demand, prices, and trends. Third, understand the regulations, import laws, taxes, and compliance requirements. And finally, research the seller, their reputation, ratings, and reviews. Section 3. How to research. Now, how do you conduct your research? Start with online resources, websites, forums, and reviews. Join car enthusiast communities, social media groups, online forums, and local clubs. Consult with experts, importers, dealers, and mechanics. And don't forget to read and understand the paperwork, sales contracts, import documents, and warranties. Section 4. Benefits of research. By doing your research, you can save time, money, and stress. You'll avoid costly mistakes, ensure compliance with regulations, and get the car you want at a fair price. Research gives you peace of mind, confidence, and a successful car importation experience. The importance of research in car importation can't be overstated. Remember, knowledge is power, and research is key to a successful car importation journey. If you have limited funds and you don't want Nigerian car dealers to exploit you as a first-time car buyer, then you'll need to always watch the videos I post every day on this channel. And you'll need to know what your favorite car dealers know. You'll need to know how they normally import those foreign used cars you always admire at their car stands to Nigeria. Let me reveal something to you. I've been in the car importation industry since 2008, and I can confidently tell you that almost all the popular car dealers you know offline and online get their foreign used cars from either Berger Auto Market Lagos or Copart USA. You can make a quick Google search to confirm this by yourself. Now, the sweet thing is that getting it directly from Copart is always cheaper. And importing a car from Copart USA to Nigeria is not hard. You just need to know the 4 simple car importation stages involved and the right way to calculate the exact budget that will bring any car you want down from Copart and clear it in Nigeria. That's just it. Your favorite car dealers are not doing anything special, they just know the 4 simple car importation stages involved and the right way to calculate the exact budget for any car they want and make it fall within the budget they give you or the budget they want. Copart is your virtual car stand, with hundreds of thousands of cars all lined up waiting for you. The only thing you have to do is just pick the car or cars you want, win the bid for them, or use the buy now option if you don't like stress. Make your payment. Then send the cars down to Nigeria while your clearing agent takes care of the clearing process when the car finally arrives in Lagos Port, Nigeria. But don't get too excited. Importing your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria yourself is worth it. But you'll have to be patient enough to have the car sent from Copart to Lagos Port within an average of 6 to 9 weeks, and also be ready to pay above car stand prices sometimes. However, the good thing about importing your first car from Copart to Nigeria yourself is that you're getting exactly what you like without anyone adding unnecessary profit margins here and there. If you want to see how you too can import your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria without the assistance of anyone, then you can either check out the video I left in the description or the one that will pop up on your screen towards the end of this video to see how you too can import your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria without the assistance of anyone. The video clearly breaks down the 4 simple car importation stages all your favorite Nigerian car dealers follow when they want to import any car from USA to Nigeria. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.